The Xiaomi MIJIA K6 Max drone is a versatile and user-friendly quadcopter that combines advanced features with a simple, intuitive design, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. With its 8K HD dual camera system, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and a long-range remote control, this drone is perfect for capturing stunning aerial photography and videography with ease and confidence. High-definition dual camera system. The drone is equipped with an impressive 4K HD dual camera system with an 8K sensor, allowing you to capture crisp, clear images and videos. The main camera's angle can be adjusted remotely by up to 150 degrees, giving you the flexibility to capture various perspectives from the ground to the sky. The combination of a high-resolution camera and a wide adjustment range ensures that you can take beautiful photos and cinematic videos. Advanced obstacle avoidance. One of the standout features of the K6 Max is its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. This intelligent system helps the drone automatically sense and steer clear of obstacles in all directions, providing a layer of safety and confidence for new pilots. This feature also allows you to fly in more complex environments without worrying about collisions. Long range and stable flight. The drone is powered by a 3.7V 3000 mAh lithium battery, providing a flight time of approximately 27 minutes. The remote control operates on a 2.4 GHz signal with a remarkable range of 5,000 meters, allowing you to explore distant landscapes and capture breathtaking shots from afar. The drone's optical flow positioning and 816 hollow cup motor work together to ensure a stable and smooth flight, even in light wind. Compact and portable design. The K6 Max features a convenient foldable design, making it highly portable and easy to carry. When folded, it measures just 13 by 8.5 by 5.5 centimeters, and when unfolded, it expands to 29 by 26 by 5.5 centimeters. This compact size allows you to pack the drone in a backpack and take it with you on your next adventure without any hassle. User-friendly features. Designed with the user in mind, the drone is equipped with several user-friendly features, including left-hand throttle control, a quick 80-minute charging time, and a straightforward USB cable charging method. These features, along with its intuitive design, make the K6 Max a great entry point into the world of professional drones. In summary, the Xiaomi MIJIA K6 Max drone is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a powerful yet easy-to-use quadcopter. Its 8K HD camera, advanced omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and long flight range make it a top contender in its class. With a variety of user-friendly features and a compact, foldable design, this drone is perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage and enjoying the thrill of flight. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews and comparisons.